Today we're diving into an exciting world where luxury meets opportunity. We'll explore how investing in a luxury yacht can not only fulfill your dreams, but also transform it into a lucrative asset. So grab your captain's hat and let's set sail on this profitable journey. Owning a luxury yacht is more than just a status symbol. It's an experience of a lifetime. Imagine exploring the world's most breathtaking destinations, indulging in luxurious comforts, and hosting unforgettable parties with friends and family. But did you know that a luxury yacht can be more than just a vessel of pleasure? It can also become a smart investment strategy. In recent years, the luxury yacht market has been on a steady rise, experiencing substantial growth and demand. People are seeking unique and personalized experiences, and luxury yachting checks all the boxes. By investing in a luxury yacht, you're capitalizing on an industry that has proven resilience, even during economic downturns. What sets a luxury yacht apart from other investments is its potential for multiple revenue streams. Let's explore a few ways you can turn your yacht into a money-making machine. First, you can rent out your yacht to travelers and tourists who crave exclusive experiences. By partnering with reputable yacht charter companies, you can generate a substantial income while your yacht remains your floating palace. Remember, like Airbnb management, you can use companies to manage everything your yacht needs, making your income truly passive. Second, your yacht can become a venue for hosting special events, corporate retreats, and celebrations. From weddings to product launches, your yacht's exquisite ambiance and stunning views will attract clients willing to pay a premium for such unforgettable experiences. Many wealthy families take annual yacht trips, and if they can't afford one, paying to stay on one is the next best thing. Third, luxury yachts can be used for corporate purposes. By offering your yacht as a unique venue for business meetings, negotiations, and networking events, you'll cater to executives looking to combine business with pleasure. The exclusivity and privacy of a yacht create an unparalleled environment for fostering meaningful connections. Lastly, you can participate in luxury yacht events, showcasing your yacht's performance and style. Gaining recognition can enhance your yacht's prestige, which in turn increases its market value and potential revenue. To maximize your returns and ensure your luxury yacht remains a profitable asset, it's essential to work with industry professionals. Expert yacht managers can handle everything from maintenance and crew management to marketing and charter bookings, leaving you with peace of mind and more time to enjoy your investment. Luxury yachts in particular often hold their value very well. It's not uncommon for them to go up steeply in value, especially if they've been well kept and improved on. Remember, investing in a luxury yacht is not just about money. It's about embracing a lifestyle that offers both pleasure and opportunity. So join the ranks of savvy investors who've turned their passions into profitable assets. Start exploring the endless possibilities of luxury yachting today.